Will we close this Bitcoin month above 80K, or will we drop to 70 or even 65K? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening guys, wherever you are in this beautiful world, whenever you're watching this video, welcome to the Bitcoin family channel. For today, a little bit shorter video, I'm going to dive into the charts to show you what is happening as Bitcoin is at 81K. Are we going to close this month above 80K and see a bullish April and May? That's the biggest questions. Or are we, because of all the news of the US tariffs and all that stuff, dropping even lower as the stock market crashed tremendously as well? What is going to happen to Bitcoin? That is the main topic for this video, guys. And of course, at the end, an inspirational quote. Bam! The first chart for today, guys, is this 4-hour chart. Some coffee. I have a lot of charts today, guys, so be prepared, sit down and listen to these charts. Now, this is a 4-hour Bitcoin chart. We can see that we are coming down. We broke this trend line, this blue one that is there, up there, this one. Now, does it mean we are directly very bearish? No, because if we look like this, it's still higher than that ultimate low point in the last couple of weeks that we saw there on the March 10th. This is still a higher low. As long as we keep a higher low, I'm still happy. So to be very clear, this one is a low. This one at the moment still is a higher low. So this is good. It's still bullish in a very bearish scenario. Now we need to get a higher high. That higher high needs to be somewhere over there. So this was the high there. And now we need to go up and make a higher high. Then we are still bullish. If not, be prepared to see again the price drop to the 76K level. That is a possibility before we turn up again. Then we have a double bottom. On the weekly, we can also see the same pattern. I've drawn this pattern already for months and years ago. I told you guys, look, what is very important at the moment is that we see this pattern of a higher low, high, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. We still have that higher high, we still have a higher low. The cool part is that every time you make a higher low, that higher low is a sideways movement. Look, this is a sideways movement. Completely making that new higher low. Sideways movement, making that higher low. Sideways movement, making that higher low. Sideways movement. Here again, sideways movement for that higher low. There will be a moment after the sideways movement that we move up again to 120K to create a higher high. That is what I expect, guys. Also, if you look at the RSI, look, the RSI is bottoming out. We've seen this already before. We are at that green line. As long as we stay above that 44 level, all okay. Do we drop below it? Expect lower prices in the 70K area. MACD, still okay, needs to start increasing now. This signal over here, the hash ribbon signal, has flashed. I told you already in last week's video, that signal only flashes when we will reverse. We have seen it now in the last years. Every signal was a correct buy opportunity. So do believe me, this is going to go up again. It doesn't feel like that. I know you feel bearish. I know you think that all the Trump shit and all the tariffs and the stock market crashing is going to crash Bitcoin as well. I don't believe that. I will act like the charts tell me to act. We are still in an upward trend. Monthly, definitely in an upward trend. Look how beautiful it looks on the monthly chart. Man, we had a breakout. We are retesting that orange line. Look what we did here in the beginning. We had that breakout, retested that orange line, just drawing it here. Breakout there, retesting orange line. Breakout there, retesting orange line. Breakout here, retesting orange line. Bam. That is the next move. That is the next move all the way till the end of 2025 before we go into the bear market, guys. And then this is the rest what I expect. These are the tops in 2029 and 2033. That is when the tops will be in, when the bottoms will be in. Screenshot this one, memorize it. This is how it's going to happen in my opinion. If we look at the bull at the top and bear bottom indicators, nothing is indicating we had a top, guys. The top should be around this purple area. not around that red line. The top will be indicated by a pi cycle top indicator and many others. We are just halfway. It will go up and it will take a shitload of days because it takes from the halving till the top an average of 500 days. And it will end somewhere September, October 2025. I have some more amazing charts that I want to share with you guys. First of all, this one. This one is showing you it's not only crypto or Bitcoin that is dropping, it's the whole industry, the whole financial market. It is S&P 500 broke its uptrend. The NASDAQ broke its uptrend. These are weekly charts, to be very clear. Every candle is a week. The Dow Jones broke its uptrend. Bitcoin still holding its uptrend. Because even in this bearish scenario of the US tariffs and all the bearish news, Bitcoin is still holding that trend line. It needs to close a weekly candle at like 75,000 US dollar to break that trend line. That one weak, that one weak, that one weak. This one the king. That's why this one is gold, the gold of the 21st century. We are still in an uptrend. Then we have this one, the global M2, so that's all the money that's in the world, with a 10-week lead. So it mostly leads 10 weeks. And if it would lead 10 weeks, now, then we would see a reversal in Bitcoin and a huge, massive run all the way to that 120K level. And we are seeing this. We dipped to the bottom with that Bitcoin price. We are climbing slowly up again. And now we should be following this path all the way to 120K. Just look at the chart. The black line goes up first, then the red line, that's the Bitcoin price, comes after. Every time, black first, then red. Black first, then red. Black went up, red will follow, the Bitcoin price will go up. Then we have this chart, Titan of Crypto. I found this one on his Twitter. This one is the stock RSI on the bottom. We can see that the cross is almost there in the stock RSI. There was the cross, this was the cross, that was the cross. Now, if at that same moment the Bollinger Band is contracting and we see a contraction and we see this cross on the stock RSI, we see a massive move. Then again, contraction of the Bollinger Band, cross of the stock RSI, massive move. Now again, we can see the start of this contraction of the Bollinger Band. So yes, on the weekly, we can still have a few more weekly sideways candles. This move was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 week, 11, 12, 13 weeks of sideways movement, contraction. This one was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 weeks. This one at the moment has been 1, 2, 3. That can mean 7 more weeks of sideways movements before the next run goes to that 120K April, May. Please understand these charts. Next one. This one is showing you where we are now in the price cycle after the halving. It should give you a pretty nice feeling. Why? Because we are now that blue line over there. And if we now take a straight line from there, let's do it like this, here. What do you see if you look to the right of this dotted line? So this is the moment where we are in history. Also, if you look to the purple and to the green and to the yellow line. What happened from this moment? The yellow line, that one went massively up. The green line from this moment, we had a dip, and then we went massively up. The purple line, we were already up, we had a dip, and then again went massively up to a new all-time high. So for me, this here, 350 days after the halving, all the way till there, is a very interesting time. 350 days after the halving to 550 days after the halving has always showed us a new all-time high of that cycle. So I expect a new all-time high of that cycle in this box there. That's what I expect. Between 160 and 250K, somewhere over there, that is where I think that the blue line will end. So if I would draw that blue line from this moment, I think we will go up, we have another retest, come up, maybe another retest, bam, go up, and there is that bull market top, there. And from there we will go into a bear market. And that bear market can take all the way to 60K and then go sideways there. And then towards the halving we start building up again. That is what I expect. So yes, we will be underperforming the green, the purple and the yellow line, but we will still see a bull market top around this area. Okay? Next chart. This chart shows you that this green dot on the chart has only been there 3 times before. And now take a look what happened every time when that green dot appeared. That green dot appeared over there. That green dot appeared over there. What happened? Massive run. That green dot appeared over there. What happened? Massive run. That green dot appeared over there. What did happen? Massive run. Now that green dot is appearing over here. What will happen? I believe indeed a massive run. Beautiful chart. Simple. Now, 2017 compared to 2025. Also a really cool chart. Maybe we can make them a little bit bigger. On this chart, you can see beautifully that in 2017, it took 852 days to go into this channel upwards. And when we ended after 852 days, we had that explosive move upwards. Euphoria. 2025, 852 days almost in this channel. Give it another 2-3 days in this channel. Then we should see the start of an explosive move to the upside. If we would copy this move from 2017. Amazing chart. What I don't want you to do is be like these people here in line. I don't want you to be that stupid. You're not watching my videos to become stupid. You're watching my videos to become smart. And if you want to become smart, you must never step into this line. When Bitcoin is 210,000 US dollar per Bitcoin, you are starting to buy. Or maybe when Bitcoin is 160K, you start to buy. That is when people go into the line. Now, Bitcoin at 86K, 81K, the line is empty. Don't be this stupid. Be the one that buys here, not there. That's stupid. That was also the last chart for today, guys. Many charts. I hope you feel a little bit more or less stressed now because of this. I know the Bitcoin price at 81K doesn't feel really nice, but still, guys, if you just keep buying these dips, you will be making profit in the end, guys. So buy Bitcoin around 80K and not around 150 or 200K. That is not what you need to do. Now, there were the charts. I hope you really enjoyed those charts, guys. Yes, short term, a shitload of volatility can be expected, but long term, we are still okay. Long term, I still see a bull market ahead for the next 6-7 months, guys. I don't see the start of a bear market yet. Why not? We just took a look at all these indicators, and the 8 indicators are not flashing bearish. Most of them are flashing bullish. Most of them telling, hey, this dip might almost be over, and then we will go for another bam push to the upside. And that push, in my opinion, should still go to above 100K. Probably 120K, that is going to be the target for this next push. That is what I expect, guys. I will not give in yet. I know whole X is bearish. I know every other social media influencer is bearish. I will turn bearish when the charts will turn bearish. Until the indicators tell me the top has not been in, I am not gonna exit this Bitcoin portfolio because the biggest part, 70%, 60 to 70%, long-term storage. Pension fund. I don't need them now. I need them in 10 years time when Bitcoin is $1 million per Bitcoin or even maybe $10 million per Bitcoin. Then I will look at that 60 to 70%. The rest, that 30 to 40%, yes, I am playing with. I'm trading, I'm investing, I'm staking, I'm doing crazy investments in meme coins, whatever it is. I use 30 to 40% for that, guys, of which the biggest part is very secure in layer ones. That is how you structurize your portfolio and how you play it safe. But again, to be very, very clear, I believe they were still in a bull market. As long as we don't close candles like in the 70K or the 60K area, there is still beautiful possibilities to bounce back from these levels, guys, as I showed you on the charts. Now, let's jump into the inspirational quote. The inspirational quote for today is, we don't remember days. We don't even remember weeks. Mostly, we don't even remember years. You know what we remember? Moments, experiences, events. Just think back about the best experience ever in your life. Do you remember what day it was? What week it was? Do you even remember what year it is? No. You remember that beautiful event, that experience, that moment. So it's very important that you create a shitload of beautiful moments. And it doesn't matter if it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. It needs to be an amazing moment. And you don't need to wait for a special year or for a special week or for New Year or for Christmas. It doesn't matter. You can create beautiful moments each and every day. And those moments you will be cherishing. Those moments you will think back to. It is not to that third car that you ever bought in your life. You remember the first car? That was a beautiful experience. That was a beautiful moment. That was your first car of your hard-earned money probably. But do you still remember which car came second, third, fourth, fifth, seventh? Do you remember which week? Do you remember which year? You don't, because you don't give a fuck. You just give a fuck about that first very special moment of you buying a car. And these first experiences you can create every day and again and again. Did you never ride a horse? Ride a horse. Did you never skydive? Skydive. Did you never zip line? Zip line. Did you never visit Thailand? Visit Thailand. Did you never drive another street to your job? Drive another street. Maybe you will see something new. You can create new moments each and every day, and those moments that will be special moments, these are the ones that you will remember at the end, guys. And that's the most important lesson in life. It doesn't matter what day it is. We don't remember the days. We don't remember the weeks. We don't remember the years. We remember the moments. That is the inspirational quote for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy the video, give the video a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment. What do you think about the news, the charts, and this inspirational quote? Thanks for watching. I wish you an amazing Monday, and see you tomorrow again with a normal, longer video on Tuesday. Bam!